Hi guys, I am Luis, and today we are in one of the most iconic cities in the world. Welcome to San Francisco. Hey everyone, welcome back to Monika and Luis Vlogs. Today we got something super special for you. I am traveling in that and only San Francisco, California. Now, I know you're probably wondering, hey, where's Monika? Well, it's a funny story. We missed each other by just one day. She was here exploring Alcatraz on the Sapphire Princess, and I arrived alongside with my friend Mark right after she set sail. But don't worry, her Alcatraz adventure is already up in the channel, so make sure you check that out after this video. So, what's on the agenda for today's episode? Oh, you are in for a treat. First, we're kicking things off with a walk across the legendary Golden State Bridge. Then, we're heading to the Roundhouse Cafe, a hidden gem where you can sip your coffee while soaking in some of the most breathtaking views of the bridge. After that, we'll escape to the urban hustle and bustle for a bit and take you to the Golden Gate Park. And to wrap things up, we'll visit Chinatown. It's the oldest and largest Chinatown in North America. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this epic adventure. Let's go! So this is Battery Spencer, which is a place where everybody's coming. You can see all the line of the cars there. Everybody's coming here for a picture, take a video. It's a very Instagrammable place if you want to see the Golden Gate Bridge. Today I'm with my friend Mark Tanarte from Philippines. Mark and I we work together on board. Mark and I we work together in the ship. Saying we are getting transferred together, and luckily we had one day here in San Francisco. So basically he's my tour guide because he's been here before. It's my first time ever. So this is the money shot. This is where everybody comes to take an amazing photo of the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, as you might be aware, this used to be the biggest suspended bridge in the world up to 1964. This bridge was built in 1937 and it connects San Francisco with Marine Bay. Right there you can see Alcatraz and the entire view of San Francisco, guys. Here's a fun fact. Did you know only this year over 10 million people came to take a photo of the Golden Bridge? So this is a hiking trail if you wanna go and see the bridge. So it takes you right there to where the bus station is. It's a lot of people doing this hiking, and also a lot of people riding bikes. It actually impressed me to see the amount of people doing riding bikes. This hike is amazing. Like, I never thought that it would be this nice. Since we decided to do some exercise today, we're gonna cross the bridge walking. So this is the entrance to cross the bridge. Walking. It's a lot of cars. FYI, no pedestrians after 9 p.m. So let's do this. This is the center of the bridge. Super loud now. And we made it, guys. We crossed the entire bridge walking. Didn't expect to do that today, but we did it. This is the length of the cables that is holding the Golden Gate Bridge. So you have an idea. This is how thick. So inside you see there's a little cables everywhere. Amazing, huh? Okay. I told Mark we're in the middle of the Golden Gate. How do you know? And I started looking like, yeah, look, I'm in the middle. I start doing that.
Take 20,000 of this. That's the middle.
And right now we're going to this coffee house. It's called Roundhouse Cafe. According to Mark, it's really good, but I'll be the judge of that. Let's go and try the coffee there. So they have all these goodies right here. Here the best part is the view. Check this out, guys. You have my nice latte right there with the Golden Gate Bridge in the back. So according to Google, the best way to mobilize around San Francisco is by public transportation. So from the Golden Gate Bridge, we're going to the Golden Gate Park, and we took the bus. So this is the entrance to the Golden Gate Park. This is the Rose Garden, and obviously they're growing right now. Those are into hot spring.
Where's the middle?
Yeah, that won't go away soon. Right here at the beginning, there is a statue of Miguel Cervantes. You wanna know why each and every Costa Rican know about Cervantes? He's the one who wrote the Quixote. It is a very iconic book, one of the oldest in the Spanish language. And if you're gonna graduate in high school, you must read that book. Awesome book though. Look at how beautiful it looks here, guys. It seems like they're gonna have a concert, the amphitheater right there. The wood is moving as well. And this is the amazing California Academy of Science. Beautiful day today. Welcome to Union Square here in San Francisco, guys. So this is a very iconic place as well. You have street performers, you have lots of stores, you got Macy's stores there, Louis Vuitton, the Apple Store. There is a little restaurants, shops, call it theaters, cinemas around this store. Around this square. So what I like from here, guys, in San Francisco is they keep the old patrols like this, the police patrol. Look how nice they look. So iconic and so classic. Beautiful. Check this out. I don't know what happened, but he looks very pissed off. This is Chinatown. As we wander through the bustling streets of Chinatown, let me drop you a fun fact on you. San Francisco Chinatown is not only the oldest in North America, but also home to the largest Chinese community outside of Asia. But there's a kicker. It was almost entirely rebuilt after the 1906 earthquake and fires. So, what you're seeing is a blend of Asian traditions and modern resilience. Oh, look at this. It's an anime pop. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Dragon Ball, same as Chris Wong. I'm a bigger fan, just so that you know. I've been only in a couple of Chinatowns, but I like this one. Like, so many decorations, guys. If I'm not mistaken, even Bruce Lee was from here. That's a fun fact. I told you so. He was from here. So I Googled which one was the best dumpling restaurant here in Chinatown, and you realize this place, House of the Shan Dumpling. If you see the menu, guys, is proper Chinese menu. You see, you have the dim sum, the dumplings. So good. Okay, let's try the first one. Let's see. They're very good. Mark, try yours. How is it? Is it good? So I ordered the 12 pieces. It cost $10.99. This one, $10. So let me try this one. Time to try our chow mein. Totally recommend it. Wow. Google was right. We are done, guys. Food was amazing, very fresh. Now we're full. And guess what? We're gonna carry on walking. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, guys. Tell your friends about our channel. We truly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy San Francisco as much as we did. This is it for today, and ciao for now.